guys, Chef Dereck here at the HealthyFood Studio. Back again to show you a quick and easy butternut and lentil salad. And so most of these ingredients you would probably have stocked in your cupboards at the moment. We've got some lentils that has been drained and washed. We've got some beautiful red onion, been cut into half moon. We've got some low-fat feta cheese, some amazing wild rocket. I've just kept in some ice water to keep it nice and fresh and crispy. And we've got some cut butternut into the little cubes, like centimeter cubes. This, if you don't know what a butternut is, this is what a butternut looks like. Right, so to get cracking with this, we're going to start by lining your roasting tray at home with a piece of foil. And the reason why I've lined the roasting tray with a piece of foil silver side up is because it's gonna help me with the washing up at the end of the day. Because you don't want to roast directly on your roasting tray because you're going to have all that stickiness, all the sugars from the food come out into the tray and it's hard to wash. So that's a tip for you, easy washing up. Right, so we're going to take our butternut cubes, we're going to sprinkle it onto the roasting tray. Then we're going to just take the half moon onions and place them around the tray. We're going to sprinkle some olive oil. That's about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Salt and pepper. Okay guys, and there we go. Just give it a shake around. And that's going to go into the oven, 180 degrees for about, say, 20 minutes, or check if the onions are nice and browned, or if you take a knife and you poke the butternut, if it's soft, you'll know it's ready. Okay, here we got the butternut and the red onion that's been roasted in the oven. It's nice and tender, with lots of caramelization on the onions as well. And now we're going to assemble this quick and easy salad for you. Just take a little bit of handful of this wild rocket from the place. I think that might be. So this is like a main course size, I think. Here we go. Take that. Take some of this. Beautiful colors, nice and fresh and rich. That you could do 2 portions. Right, for the dressing we've got the lentils, we've got some olive oil, we've got some amazing balsamic vinegar, and one of my favorite ingredients is whole grain mustard. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of grainy mustard, about 20 ml of balsamic vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, keep your fingers behind the blade, there we go, fresh smells of aromas of parsley. Get in there, some lemon juice, go, fantastic, whisk, just to emulsify all those beautiful flavors and textures. Look at that. The lentils. Don't need a whisk anymore. Just incorporate the lentils with a spoon. Just take some of this and roll it over. And the final touch is this beautiful fat-free feta cheese, just crumbled up on top. And voila, as my son said. Enjoy.